Things in Valencia are incredibly thrilling. Valencia is here, on the coveted Mediterranean coast. Valencia is home to 135 kilometers of beach and lucky to have sunshine year-round with an average annual temperature of 19 degrees.
When the moon runs down the summer sky.
It is the third largest city in Spain, with an airport conveniently close to the city centre, which connects it to many destinations. And that's without mentioning its port, high-speed train, and its wide range of hotels. Valencia is warm and welcoming, ready to host you all year round with an extensive array of plans to choose from. With an offering of on-site and virtual visitor services. And the Valencia tourist card. Visitors have a very complete range of options. Valencia is really impressive. It is now and has been for thousands of years. It has tradition and modernity.
The more you love, the more you live.
And it already has 3 UNESCO World Heritage tourist attractions. Because culture permeates everything here. It has festivals that entertain the young and the old alike. And music in every corner. Valencia thrills.
Have heard from the sky all about it.
In countless ways.
The high tide flows around it. Through the whispers of pines I hear them.
Even in the saltwater, as well as in the freshwater.
The more you love,
Valencia gets around on wheels. It gets around in a different way.
down the river, high tide flows around it.
By being sustainable, breathing fresh air, and walking on green ground.
The more you love, the more you live.
In Valencia, tastes are cultivated. Between stars and locally sourced products that go everywhere. Valencia is inclusive and accessible.
All about it. Down the river, high tide flows around it.
A place to grow, to leave frontiers behind and reach out to the whole
The
world.
more you love, the more you live. Have heard from the sky all about it.
Valencia is a place to feel completely free, because only here can you find the best mix to bring out the best in yourself.
Them sing.
Valencia is now.
Live.